In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Finance portfolios. Start by opening Google Finance in your web browser. On the homepage, you'll see market summaries, trending tickers, and news, but our focus is the portfolios feature. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so your work is saved and accessible across devices. Once you're signed in, look for the option to create a new portfolio and click New Portfolio. Give your portfolio a clear, descriptive name, something that reflects your goal, like long-term holdings or tech watch list. A good name makes it easier to stay organized if you build more than one. With the portfolio created, click Add Investments. This opens the panel where you'll enter the details of what you want to track. In the search field, begin typing the company name or the ticker symbol. As you type, Google Finance will suggest matches. Select the correct stock from the list to make sure you're tracking the right company and the right exchange. Next, enter the quantity. This is simply the number of shares you own. If you hold fractional shares, you can enter decimals. If you've accumulated shares over time across different accounts, add them up and enter the total. Accuracy here helps the portfolio reflect your true exposure. Now choose the purchase date. Clicking the date field opens a calendar. Selecting the date you acquired the shares helps Google Finance place your position on the timeline, which can make charts and performance views more meaningful. If you made multiple buys, you can pick the date that best represents your initial position and update later as needed. When everything looks right, click Save. Your holding will appear in the portfolio view with live market data. You'll see the current price, daily changes, charts, and related news pulled in automatically. This makes it easy to monitor how that position moves throughout the day and over longer periods. To continue building your portfolio, repeat the same flow. Add investments, search for the stock, select it from the results, enter the quantity, set the purchase date, and save. A few quick tips as you go: double check ticker symbols to avoid similarly named companies, especially those listed on different exchanges. Use consistent conventions for dates and quantities. And if you trade in small increments, don't hesitate to use precise decimals for accuracy. That's it. You've created a portfolio, added a stock, set the key details, and saved it so you can track it over time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Google Finance to keep your investments organized and easy to follow.